This is one of the most useful tool that is highly recommended, which is a Chrome extension called Unhook. Now for an example, you are watching a coding tutorial inside YouTube. Then you may get distracted by the other videos, which removes YouTube recommendations and shorts. You can use it, you cannot use it, that is up to you. Now once again, it will not remove ads, it will just hide all the videos. Now as you can see, my home screen is not showing up. If you click on this extension icon, here you can see if I toggle this button, my home screen is showing up. And if I untoggle it, if I toggle it, then as you can see how it is working. So you can see all these things. You can also control all the other things as well, like hiding the end screen. Then if you want to hide the shorts, you can also hide the shorts from here, like all these shorts. As you can see, the shorts you can see over here. And if I want to hide this short, I can also hide this short like that. So ultimately, this is a very useful tool that you can follow. Once again, it is not sponsored. Using it or not using it is absolutely your choice and preference.